Okay, so for our sketchbook, we're going to start with a rough draft. This is just a piece of copy paper, and this is a way for us to get ideas and to practice before the real thing. So start with your pencil and divide your paper in half. Doesn't have to be a perfect straight line. And then find the halfway mark here and make a horizontal line. So we're going to have 4 different areas of our sketchbook with 4 of our favorite things. So I want you to think about favorite foods, your favorite season of the year, your favorite animal, maybe your favorite activity, maybe your favorite holiday. So I'm gonna start in one of my sections. I think for this one, I'm going to do my favorite food, and I'm gonna do a cupcake. So look at how I am drawing big. Add a little cherry on top and then some sprinkles. Okay, and then next I'm gonna do my favorite activity. Well, I really do love to make art, so I'm gonna do a paint palette. And a big paintbrush. And I need something over here, so maybe I do some paint splatters. Okay, next I'm gonna think about my favorite pet or my favorite animal, and I'm gonna do my cat. And let's see, how about my favorite place? I really like the mountains, so I'm gonna do a mountain landscape. And let's add maybe a sunset. And maybe some clouds. Okay, so you cannot copy what I'm doing. You have to make it unique in your own. Check out these two. These two have a lot of open space around the outside. So in this case, we're going to need to use a pattern. It could be a line pattern using different kinds of lines, or it could be a repeating pattern with something else like spirals or dots or curves or X's. So for my cupcake, I think I'm gonna do repeating spirals. And for my cat, I think I'm gonna do repeating lines. Now, if you're doing lines, you gotta be careful to not accidentally draw over your picture. So when you hit your picture, you have to hop over. Okay, this one's got quite a bit going on, but if I wanted to, I could add maybe add a little curvy line. Okay, so that's just our rough draft. Next, we're ready to get out our real piece of paper, and we're going to start by folding it in half, match up the corners, and crease it. Make sure that that fold is on the left side so that it opens like a real book. I'm gonna pull out one of these stickers and I'm gonna place it right in the middle of my book. And then if I use my pencil, I can kind of trace right against the edge of the sticker. That way I can see it. I bet you can guess that our name is gonna go inside of the sticker, and we wanna write it really big. We don't wanna write it tiny. So, name, but you're gonna write your name. And wherever you have extra room, maybe down in the corner, you're gonna write your teacher code, whatever that is for you. Okay, similar to our rough draft, we're ready to divide up our space. So I'm gonna make a vertical line and stop at my name tag. Finish it off to the bottom. And a horizontal line. Stop at my name tag and go all the way across. Now we're ready to pull back out our rough draft, and now we're gonna do our very best work transferring our ideas onto our sketchbook cover.